In this video, I'm gonna show you how to doodle like a pro. So without further ado, let's get right into it. That was step 1. Yeah, to get the highest results of any idea, I go to Pinterest on Instagram of those who inspire me to draw. You should too. Putting down a plan of structure so you don't have to stress your brain every single time. There are 3 steps to sketching. First, the ugly sketch, clean sketch, and detailed sketch. Using the ugly sketch as a guide for sweet results.
Sometimes it feels like, wonder if my soul will ever be right. I can't seem to run away, far gone, chasing blue skies.
Time to add some detailed sketch. This is where we add every single amazing doodle we want to add. So you can start with basic shapes, then drawing different items that you inspire you, like different cartoon characters and so many. You can shape into however style you want. Just find your style when doodling.
I'm falling, fading down. Yes, I'm fading, like the wind sweeping the dunes underneath the moon. I'm fading, but definitely don't know what to do, but I'm praying. Voices they calling, they wanna pursue, no, not breaking. Voices they calling, they wanna pursue, no, not breaking. Like the wind sweeping the dunes underneath the moon. I'm fading, but definitely don't know what to do, but I'm praying. Voices they calling, they wanna pursue, no, not breaking. Voices they calling, they wanna pursue, no, not breaking.
Time to add some thick lines. This is just basically adding black lines to your sketch. The thickness or the lightness of your line depends, so your outline will just make your drawing pop out.
Was it all some sort of bad dream? That's when I seen it in the sky. Picture perfect, illuminated fusions and revolutions hit the constructs of my eye. What a scene, what a sight. What does it mean? Are we alright?
You couldn't see it coming, yeah, you nearly lost conscience of your own soul. You couldn't see it coming, you were heading in reverse down the wrong road. You couldn't see it coming, nearly gave up, found no ways to make it right. More than you can chew, yeah, you took that bite. Roaming in the hills and the valleys, searching for the answers. Ain't no way around it, hope you run and find them faster. Lessons will get learned, caution where you stray, don't get burned. Running through the maze, it's your turn. What will be the outcome? Looking for your way out, yeah, you found one. Trust your innate.
And now for the fun part, coloring. Ooh, nice. There are 2 steps to make your color feel like a god. First, the base color, which represent the light colors, and now the shadow colors will represent the dark colors. Just make sure to play around with different colors before using them to know what your coloring will look like.
In the game, niggas lying, they swerving all in my lane. Don't talk about it, I really feel it's a shame that nothing don't ever change. Still flying up in the game.
A lot of niggas walk, a lot of niggas talk. I'm about to run this shit back on niggas like martial fall. A lot of bitches balloons looking like Mardi Gras. A beauty pageant saloon chick like Cardi y'all. And yeah, I'm jiggy, I'm pretty, I'm a fucking rockstar. You be lying through your feet to get this nigga lost. I can rap it, I can spit it, I could be a pop star. She a liar cause I hate it, she mad I don't want. Just tell me where to go. Send the Addy, I'ma pull up on. Yeah. Right now.
And after hours and hours working, it is finally complete. There you have it, a doodle. Maybe not like a pro, but yeah, doodle.
Yeah, designer water sipping bus. Got a slip knot tie in my sock. Put the skunk inside the trunk and then I'm off. I'm a zip line right to the loft.